Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how I DIY my rose water toner. Like I said in my rose oil video, I told you guys that you can do your rose water out of these same roses also. So I'll be collaborating with two beautiful sisters on this one, Tessie D Aquino and Candy Love. Please do go check out their channels and support them also. I am sure you will enjoy watching their content. So now let's get started. This is the amount I got. You can actually store this in your fridge for like 7 to 10 days and use it for your hair, face and skin in general. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.